SC21 influenced conversations with our customers and helped us secure new business for two very simple reasons. One, customers need good, reliable suppliers who can supply on time, every time, and in full. And the other reason is that they need good quality products. And SC21 helped us deliver that for our customers.
Well, primarily also, we've seen it as a great opportunity to benchmark our own internal processes, but also to benchmark ourselves against the wider aerospace sector. So that was our first opportunity of what we looked for. Once we brought SC21 on board, we could then measure and we could validate what our, the current conditions were for our own continuous improvements. And we wanted to again look at the opportunities that SC21 would bring and give to the contract to help us improve.
Consistent performance is important to Leonardo because it allows consistency of program schedule. Having to work out of sequence for the planned build stage can have a significant detrimental impact on the final assembly line in terms of time and cost. It's therefore critical that the supply chain performance is consistently reliable and achieves high levels of delivery schedule adherence, something we look to SC21 award winners and those suppliers to provide.
When we have suppliers who perform consistently well, that means that we have suppliers who are more efficient, and that makes the supply chain more efficient. It helps us to reduce waste and the non-value activities that we currently would be doing. We become more efficient and more competitive, and that helps us to win more work that benefits us all.
SC21, as well as giving you an improvement platform, it ensures that you can demonstrate the results of those improvements by measured performance in terms of delivery on time, measured performance in terms of quality, measured performance in terms of return of RFP. So you're able to prove to somebody demonstrably that you're actually a company that can be relied upon to deliver. And that's very important when you're trying to encourage and persuade procurement agents some 3,500 miles away.
We were a very successful business, but we were a transactional supplier. At that point, there were no plans for the future. We were facing increased global competition, and we could see, especially through ADS, that there was potential in the market to grow into a supply chain partner and fill that gap. The benefits that the workforce have seen, there has absolutely been a massive change in the culture. We now have a shared vision, we have shared success. In terms of the business, there's well-defined accountability and responsibility, and we have very clear reporting structures. We do have full engagement across all levels of the business, and where we are today as Gold SC21 award winners, we have continuous improvement ingrained in us. It's our DNA, it's part of what we do every day, and it's key to our success.
Since we started the SC21 program, we've grown 280%. We've gone from one business stream to 5 business streams, and we're now sitting with about 150 operatives. So it's been a great journey. Since the Gold Award back in October, we've added an additional business stream with an additional 15 to 20% revenue. We're probably one of the only companies throughout COVID-19 that was 100% active. And a lot of that was down to the process and procedures we had in place from SC21.